once again.
Hello everyone, this is Rochelle Rosenberg. So today we're gonna have another tutorial. If you are new to this channel, please press like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell. And you could see that I have a website. If you want to check my website, or if you want to check my Instagram, you are welcome to see me there. And this is the Facebook that I have also. Alright, let's get back to the topic. So today's tutorial is about your channel art or your cover photo on your YouTube channel. So what are the requirements? So guys, now you can see on my channel, in front of you, you can see my channel art, my logo icon, and a website here. So how do we change that? Okay, first and foremost, we have to press our channel. Okay, so first, if we could just go to the YouTube. Okay, so it looks like this, and we press our channel. So we press your channel. Ngayon, makikita ninyo dito na may picture ko. You can see my logo there, but it's not there because I am on the back door of my channel. Okay, so if someone visits me, this is not the way they see it. Okay, they will see it otherwise, in another way. So ngayon, punta tayo ng customized channel. So in the customized channel, you can see na mayroon akong icon there. I have icon, and I have the photo, and I have the link over here. So what shall we do? If you want to have a very known or a very well remembered icon, you can change your photo here. Most of the people use their photo, but I don't do that because I have a brand channel, and my brand channel is The Journey Continues, and I have my name inside, and I have the feather as my logo channel. But since I have that already, I don't need to change. Hindi ko na kailangang palitan yun. So ito yung pagkakakilanlan sa iyo sa YouTube channel mo. Ngayon, ang Google About Me, ang icon na nakikita nyo dito, diyan makikita kung sino kayo. Okay, yan yung profile ninyo sa Google. That is your profile on Google. So here you can edit your contact details. This one, you don't need to show all. Hindi nyo na kailangang ipakita ito dahil ito masyado ng personal na mga informasyon tungkol sa inyo. Pero dito, maaari ninyong i-edit. For example, ang inyong website kung mayroon kayo. At ito naman, kung mayroon kayong mga iba pang social media account. Okay? Dito naman, pwede ninyong i-edit ang inyong mga pangalan. Ito, pwede ninyong i-edit yan. Dito lang siya sa mga pencil na mayroong nakalagay na pencil, pwede ninyong ipakita. Okay? So, isara natin yan. Ang requirements po ng channel art na ito, kung larawan na ito, the requirement is to have, I think, 2,500 pixels, if I am not wrong. You can show your picture there. I think it's 2,500 megapixel. Let us see that I am right. Channel art size is 2,560 times 1,440 pixels. So dapat ito ay maluwag. It should be wide. Okay, so this is wide. If you could see it, it's 2,000 wide and 1,450 ito. Yan. So masyadong malaki yan na picture. No, malaki. It's a very big picture. So how do you change it? So okay, let's try to change the channel art. if you want to change the picture, you can press it here on the pencil on the right side. Sa kanan na mayroong lapis doon. So ito, may dalawang pagpipilian. You have two choices. Edit links or edit channel art. So pipiliin natin ang channel art. Okay? So sa channel art na to, pwede kang mag-upload ng picture. So ngayon, pipili tayo ng larawan. Okay? Halimbawa, sabihin na, let's say, I would like to choose my painting, for example. I'll choose, let me see if I can choose one, just to show you guys. These pictures are taken by my DSLR camera, system camera. Okay? So they are high quality. So if you would see there, it's 5,000. The picture size is 5,456 times 3,064. So I can try to choose that. Okay. Alright. So ganyan ang magiging itsura. It will look like that. Alright. On a TV screen and on a mobile. So you can adjust. Okay. So you can adjust the crop, for example. Pwedeng igawin ganon, paliitin. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. Okay? Because it's a big picture, so you can adjust it. Alright? If you make it smaller, you just want to show the face of the bird, you can do so. So it will look like that. Alright? So pwede nating i-preview. We can preview it. So you see? So the picture looks like that. But since you don't know yet how to do that, you can also auto-enhance. Auto-enhance will automatically do it itself. But I have to cancel that kasi meron na akong picture. Ngayon, paano nyo nga ba i-share yung Facebook nyo dito? Okay? Let's go back there again and edit links. Pag na-edit mo yung link na yon, lalabas ito, diba? So, ngayon, makikita ninyo dito. Halos marami sa inyo, dito nilalagay ang inyong mga Facebook, ang inyong mga Instagram. Ang description box na ito ay hindi para sa inyong mga social network. Ito ay para i-describe kung sino ka, ano ang purpose mo sa iyong YouTube channel. So this description box is only used for description about you and your channel. So it must describe what you do with your channel, what is your purpose with your channel. Okay, so down below there is a customized link. Okay, on the customized link you can share your website if you have one, or you can share your Facebook if you have social media accounts. If you have Instagram, you can add a link. For example, we'll go to my Facebook. Okay, so if I go to my Facebook account, we can take this link and copy it, and once we copied it, we can put it there, paste. Oh no, I'm wrong. I should put it on the URL. Okay, tapos dito ilalagay natin, we can put here my name, okay. So this is my page. Okay, now let's go back to that and we paste it over there. Press Ctrl V and you are on the track. Ngayon, you can have 5 links in here. Okay, so for all of you guys, kung marami kayong website, if you have many social accounts, you have Twitter, Instagram, Facebook profile and Facebook page, Twitch account or Twitter or whatever. I think I have already said that. You can add here 5 accounts. Okay? 5 lang. Pag sumobra kayo dyan, hindi na yan lalabas. So, ngayon, i-try natin. O, ngayon, ganito ang lalabas. Okay? Paglabas nyan, we go back. Okay? So, yan, na-save na yan. Okay? So, go back. So, ngayon nakikita nyo. May Facebook doon, merong marka nun, at meron din ito. Ito ay para sa aking website. Ito naman ay sa portfolio ko. So, for example, ipipress ko yan. Mapupunta tayo ngayon sa international website. Ang international website na ito ay nagpapakita ng aking mga sining at mga gawa kong sining. Okay? So, dyan ipinapakita niya kung ano yung mga ginawa kong artwork. Ito po ay pinapakita sa buong Europe. Okay. Tapos ngayon, pipindutin natin ang Facebook. At idediretso tayo doon sa Facebook na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Ayan. Ngayon naman, i-try natin ito. Let's try this. Okay. So, it directs us also to the website. This is my website, guys. Okay? So, if you are presented or sponsored by a website or you are sponsoring another website, you can press it here. So, all 5 accounts are presented down below. Okay? Here. So, if you have a channel art, you have to be aware na hindi nyo kailangang sulatan ng marami yung Facebook channel, ay yung ano nyo, yung channel art nyo. So, if you have this picture, for example, ingatan ninyo na wala kayong maraming nilalagay. Okay, for example, meron na kayong pangalan dito. Tapos, naglagay pa kayo Facebook dyan, naglagay pa kayo Instagram dyan, naglagay pa kayo ng kung ano-anong email dyan. Huwag ganon kasi nakakagulo yun sa mata ng isang titingin sa inyong channel. Gawin yung professional. Make it professional. So, if you make it professional, you can press your links down below. Alright, guys? So, it's kind of long tutorial, but I think that it would sit in your memory, and I hope that it helped you. So, if this tutorial had helped you a lot, please don't forget to press the like and leave your comments, and then press the notification bell and subscribe to me. Alright, so thank you so much for your kind support, and God bless everyone.